Welcome back to my online class video. As you know that how corona disease is spread all over the world, and due to this corona, government has been implemented the lockdown since March 22 to till now. Okay, that's why it's a very big. You can say it is a big problem for all the students like you to get education, to get proper education. So that's why we are here to communicate with you, to transact with you in online mode, okay, to follow the rules of government related COVID 19. Okay. Anyway, now comes to our topic. Today we are going to discuss the 8th class English. Okay. You can now here is a image on your screen. That is the cover page of 8th class English book. Name is A New Approach to English. Okay. Anyway, let's come to our topic. The first chapter of class 8th, that is only made impossible to possible. Only is a child or a person like you, that how he made impossible to possible. Here is an interesting story, and you here is also a interesting picture on your screen. You can see. Okay, is the what is that? It is the image at the time of trialing in a court. Court. That means, yeah, you can say this is judge. This fellow is judge, and here is a guys. Okay, the witness. Okay, is known as a witness, and here is also person. Clear? Very interesting picture here. So, how only made impossible to possible, we can detail understand after reading of this reading this paragraph. Okay. Now I'm reading the paragraph. I'm reading the paragraph line by line, and you have to follow. You have to follow. Um, you have to follow it, so on you can able to read the paragraph. Okay, you can able to read the paragraph um, very frequently or with proper pronunciation. Okay, let's start. Once a thief was caught while stealing a purse from a man. The thief was handed over to the police. The police sent him to jail. The person who was arrested had to be tried out in a court. On the day of the trial, the man whose purse was stolen hired a lawyer and three witnesses. The witnesses were present when the purse was stolen. The third witness had some problems. He could not come. At the time of trial, the first witness was called to the witness box. The judge asked, when was the theft committed? Was it day or night? The first witness replied, it was day, my lord. The second question was, how many persons were there at the time of the theft? Five, Your Honor. said the witness. The judge's third question was, what was the color of the stolen purse? Black, Your Honor, replied the witness. Okay, we have already read the paragraph. Again, for better understanding, again I am reading this paragraph. Okay, and you have to follow. Once a thief was caught while stealing a purse from a man. The thief was handed over to the police. The police sent him to jail. The person who was arrested had to be tried out in a court. On the day of the trial, the man whose purse was stolen hired a liar and 3 witnesses. The witnesses were present when the purse was stolen. The third witness had some problems. He could not come. At the time of trial, the first witness was called to the witness box. The judge asked, when was the theft committed? Was it day or night? The first witness replied, it was day, my lord. The second question was, how many persons were there at the time of the theft? 5, Your Honor, said the witness. The judge's third question was, what was the color of the stolen purse? Black, Your Honor, replied the witness. Okay, guys. So already we have read this paragraph. Okay. Now on your screen, here is some difficult word. Okay, here is some difficult word related to your paragraph. Okay, here is some difficult word related to paragraph. Now we understand. Okay, now we understand the meaning of that difficult word. Soon it will become very helpful to you to understand the meaning of that paragraph. Okay, so you also take the screenshot of this picture. Okay, first, thief ଯାହାକୁ ଆମେ କ'ଣ ବୋଲି କହୁ, ଚୋର. ଓକେ, ଥିଫ୍ର ଅର୍ଥ କ'ଣ, ଚୋର. ଦେନ୍ caught, CAUGHT, caught ମାନେ this is the past form of a catch. ଓକେ, caught ଓଡ଼ିଆ ଅର୍ଥ ହେଉଛି କ'ଣ, ଧରିଲା. stealing, okay, stealing, the main verb is here steal. This is the fourth form of verb. Okay, ing form. stealing, ଚୋରି କରିବା. handed over, ହସ୍ତାନ୍ତର କରିବା. tried out, ମୁକୁଳିବା ପାଇଁ ଚେଷ୍ଟା କରିବା. stolen, ଚୋରି ହେଇଗଲା. ଓକେ, ଜଜ୍, ବିଚାରପତି. ଯୋଉ ପିକ୍ଚରରେ ମୁଁ ଯୋଉ ଦେଖେଇଥିଲି ସେ ଯୋଉ ଲୋକ ବସିଥିଲେ ସେ ହେଉଛନ୍ତି କିଏ, ବିଚାରପତି. ତାଙ୍କୁ କ'ଣ ବୋଲି କୁହାଯିବ, ଜଜ୍. ଓକେ, ହାୟର୍ଡ, ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ମିନ୍ସ ନିଯୁକ୍ତି କରିବା. ୱିଟନେସ୍ ବକ୍ସ, କାଠଗଡ଼ା. ଓକେ, ଯୋଉଠି କ'ଣ କରାଯାଏ ନା, ମାନେ ସେ ଯୋଉ କୋର୍ଟରେ ଯୋଉ ପିକ୍ଚରରେ ଦେଖିଥିଲ ଗୋଟେ ଲୋକଟା ଯୋଉ କାଠଗଡ଼ାରେ ଠିଆ ହେଇନଥିଲା. ଓକେ, ଯୋଉ ମାନେ ଗୋଟେ ବକ୍ସ ଟାଇପ୍ରେ ଠିଆ ହେଇଥିଲା, ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ଇଜ୍ ନୋନ୍ ଏଜ୍ ଏ ୱିଟନେସ୍ ବକ୍ସ. ଓକେ, ଆଉ ଯାହାକୁ ସେ ଯୋଉ କାଠଗଡ଼ାରେ ରଖାଯାଏ କାହାକୁ, ସେ ସାକ୍ଷୀ. ସେଇ ସାକ୍ଷୀକୁ କ'ଣ ବୋଲି କୁହାଯିବ, ୱିଟନେସ୍. ୱିଟନେସ୍ ଅର୍ଥ କ'ଣ, ସାକ୍ଷୀ. ୟୁଅର୍ ଅନର୍, ଇଟ୍ ଦ polite word. Okay, just how how we greeting some older person. Okay, that means overall it is a polite word. Your honor, that means huzur. Okay, next word, that is problem. Problem ମାନେ କ'ଣ, ଅସୁବିଧା. ଓକେ, ବା ସମସ୍ୟା. ଲୟର, ବୁଝିଲେ ନା, ଯେ ମାନେ ଚୋରି କରିଥିବ, ମାନେ ଗୋଟେ କେସ୍ ହେଇଥିବ, ତ ଆମେ କ'ଣ କରୁ, ଜଣେ ଓକିଲକୁ ଆମେ କନସଲ୍ଟ କରୁ. ସେ ଯୋଉ ଓକିଲକୁ ଆମେ କ'ଣ ବୋଲି ମାନେ କହୁ ଇଂଲିଶରେ, ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ଇଜ୍ ଲୟର. ଓକେ, ଆଣ୍ଡ ଟ୍ରାଏଲ ମିନ୍ସ ସେ ଯୋଉ ବିଚାରାଧୀନ ସମୟ ବା ଯୋଉ ସମୟରେ କି ସେ ଯୋଉ କୋର୍ଟରେ କ'ଣ କରାଯାଏ, ମାନେ ଜଣେ ଦୋଷୀ ଉପରେ ତାର ବିଚାର କରାଯାଏ, ସେଇ ଯୋଉ ସମୟଟାକୁ କ'ଣ ବୋଲି କୁହାଯିବ, ଟ୍ରାଏଲ ବୋଲି କୁହାଯିବ. ତାକୁ ଯଦି ଆମେ ଓଡ଼ିଆରେ କହିବା କ'ଣ, ବିଚାରାଧୀନ ସମୟ. ଆଉ କମିଟେଡ୍, ଲାଷ୍ଟ ୱାନ୍ ଇଜ୍ କମିଟେଡ୍ ମାନେ କ'ଣ, ଗୋଟେ ଜିନିଷଟା ଘଟିଥିବ ବା ଏଇଠି କ'ଣ ହେଇଛି, ଏଇଠି ମାନେ ଯୋଗ ହେଇଛି, that means the what is the third form? Okay, third form of the verb committed. Ghotila. Okay, so I hope you are all take the screenshot of this. Okay, now comes to the paragraph. Okay, comes to paragraph. Now we try to understand the actual meaning of paragraph or what that paragraph is about. Okay, once a thief was caught while stealing a purse from a man. Once a thief was caught. Okay, once a thief was caught while stealing a purse from a man. ଥରେ once a thief was caught ଗୋଟେ ଥର ସମୟରେ କ'ଣ ହେଇଥିଲା ଥରେ କ'ଣ ହେଇଥିଲା ନା ଗୋଟେ ଚୋରକୁ ମାନେ ଧରା ହେଇଥିଲା କେତେବେଳେ ନା ଯେତେବେଳେ while stealing a purse from a man ସେ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଗୋଟେ ଲୋକର ପର୍ସକୁ ଚୋରି କରୁଥିଲା ସେଇ ସମୟରେ ସେ ଯୋଉ ଚୋରଟା କ'ଣ ହେଲା ଧରା ପଡ଼ିଲା ଓକେ ତ once a thief was caught ଥରେ ଗୋଟେ ଚୋରଟା ଧରା ହେଇଥିଲା while stealing a purse from a man ଯେତେବେଳେ କ'ଣ ନା ସେ ଯୋଉ ଲୋକର ସେ ପର୍ସଟାକୁ ଚୋରି କରୁଥିଲା ଓକେ the thief was handed over to the police ତାପରେ ସେ ଯୋଉ ଚୋରକୁ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଧରିଲେ ତାକୁ କ'ଣ କରାହେଲା ନା the thief was handed over ଆମେ ଅଲରେଡି ସେ ଯୋଉ ଡିଫିକଲ୍ଟ ୱାର୍ଡ ଆମେ ଜାଣିଛେ handed over ର ମିନିଂ କ'ଣ ମାନେ ହସ୍ତାନ୍ତର କରିଦେବା ତ ଯେତେବେଳେ ସେ ଯୋଉ ଚୋରକୁ ମାନେ ଧରିଲେ ସେ ଯୋଉ ପର୍ସ ଚୋରି କରିବା ସମୟରେ ତାପରେ ଧରି କ'ଣ କଲେ ନା the thief was handed over to the police ତାପରେ ତାକୁ କ'ଣ କଲେ ନା ପୋଲିସ ପାଖରେ ବା ପୋଲିସ ପାଖରେ ତାକୁ କ'ଣ କରିଦେଲେ ହସ୍ତାନ୍ତର କରିଦେଲେ କ୍ଲିୟର ବା ଯାହାକୁ ଆମେ କ'ଣ ବୋଲି କହୁ ଇନ୍ ଆୱାର ଲୋକାଲ ଲାଙ୍ଗୁଏଜ ଆମେ ପୋଲିସ ପାଖରେ ତାକୁ ଜିମା ଦେଇଦେଲୁ ଓକେ ଦେନ୍ the police sent him to jail ତାପରେ ପୋଲିସ କ'ଣ କଲା ନା ସେ ପୋଲିସ ସେ ଯୋଉ ଲୋକଟାକୁ ତାକୁ କ'ଣ କଲେ ନା ଜେଲକୁ ପଠେଇଦେଲେ ଜେଲ ଓକେ ଜେଲ ମାନେ ଜାଣିଛ ଜେଲ ହଉଛି କ'ଣ ନା ଆମେ ଯଦି ଓଡ଼ିଆରେ ତାକୁ ଯଦି କହିବା ତ ଜେଲର ଓଡ଼ିଆ ଅର୍ଥ ହଉଛି କ'ଣ କାରାଗାର କ୍ଲିୟର ତ ପୋଲିସ ତାକୁ କ'ଣ କଲା ନା ଜେଲକୁ ପଠେଇଦେଲା ବା ସେ ଯୋଉ କାରାଗାରକୁ ପଠେଇଦେଲା ନେକ୍ସଟ the person who was arrested had to be tried out in a court तो से जो लोक जे कि माने कौन है ना पुलिस जाकू जेल को धरिकी नेला द पर्सन हु वाज अरेस्टेड से जो लोक जे कि कौन है अरेस्टेड है क्लियर अरेस्टेड है हैड टू बी ट्राइड आउट इन ए कोर्ट बा जो लोक को पुलिस कौन करथिला जेल को पठे दिया अभियुक्त तो सी कौन कला ना हैड टू बी ट्राइड आउट सी चेष्टा कला सी हैड टू बी ट्राइड आउट इन ए कोर्ट जरिया से केमिति जेल रु बाहरियो सेति पय से कोन कला चेष्टा कला हैड टू बी ट्राइड आउट इन ए कोर्ट जरिया रे बाहर को आसिया पय से चेष्टा कला ओके नाउ ऑन द डे ऑफ द ट्रायल तो जो दिन से जो कोर्ट रे माने विचार करा गला ऑन द डे ऑफ द ट्रायल तो जो दिन ताहार विचार करागला कोर्ट रे द मैन हुज पर्स वाज स्टोलन हायर्ड ए लॉयर एंड 3 विटनेस तो से जो लोक जहार कोन हेतिला पर्सटा चोरी हे जाइतिला से कोन कला ना गोटे वकील ओके गोटे वकील एवं 3 जण साक्षी को से कोन कला कोर्ट रे हाजर करेला बुझियला आई होप you all getting my point what I'm saying to you okay then the witness were present when the purse was stolen तो जो साक्षी जो 3 जण साक्षी को से माने सेठी कोन कर नियुक्ति करेला तो से जो साक्षी माने the witness were present से माने उपस्थित थिले प्रेजेंट ओडिया त कोन उपस्थित ओके द विटनेस वर प्रेजेंट से माने उपस्थित थिले व्हेन द पर्स वाज स्टोलन जेतले से जो पर्सटा चोरी होतिला दैट मींस से जो लोक माने ओके सेठी से माने कोन माने उपस्थित थिले Clear? The third witness had some problems. अच्छा से जो तीन जन माने साक्षी को जो माने कोर्ट रे हाजर करेला किंतु से जो तृतीय नंबर जे साक्षी तार कौन हला किसी गोटे समस्या थिला, had some problems here. Okay, had some problems. माने तृतीय नंबर जे साक्षी तार गोटे कौन थिला समस्या थिला. He could not come. He could not come. से आसी परला नहीं. Are you getting my point, students? Okay, I hope. Okay, you getting my point. Next, at the time of a trial. At the time of a trial. So it clear indicate already I am talk about that at the time of a trial. That means से जो विचार समय रे clear. The first witness was called to the witness box. तो से जो प्रथम साक्षी क्लियर जो विचार करागला एट दैट टाइम प्रथम साक्षी को कौन करागला ना सी जो काठगड़ा भीतर को डकागला. दैट मीन्स यू नो हियर witness box, that means काठगड़ा. Okay, already we have discussed about that in difficult word. Okay, witness box, that means काठगड़ा. तो से जो प्रथम जो विचार और समय आसला तो सही समय कौन हला प्रथम साक्षी को कोठी डकागला काठगड़ा को डकागला. क्लियर? देन द जज आस्क्ड तापरे विचारपति पचारले कौन ना व्हेन वाज द थेफ्ट कमिटेड. क्लियर? व्हेन वाज द थेफ्ट कमिटेड. अच्छा से जो चोरीटा केतेबेले हेतिला व्हेन वाज द थेफ्ट कमिटेड. से जो चोरीटा बा से जो घटनटा केतेबेले हेतिला के पचारले जज. के पचारले जज. कहा को पचारले द फर्स्ट विटनेस. वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. Okay, I hope you are all getting my words. Clear? Then next question, was it day or night? अच्छा ये जो चोरीटा हैला एटा दिन रे ना राति रे. was it day or night? एटा दिन थिला ना राति थिला. ओके पुणी जज पचारले तापरे the first witness replied. ओके तापरे से जो साक्षी जनक बा प्रथम साक्षी जाको काठगड़ा भीतर को डका जाइथिला तार उत्तर कोन थिला ना से कहिला इट वाज डे माय लव. ना सर जो चोरीटा हेतिला सेटा दिन बेला हेतिला बोली कि से उत्तर देला. ओके क्लियर. नेक्स्ट तापरे द सेकंड क्वेश्चन वाज पुणी अगेन जज बा से जो विचारपति क्लियर महाशय से कौन कले द्वितीय प्रश्न पचारथिले काहाकू से जो प्रथम साक्षी को. द्वितीय प्रश्न कौन थिला ना हाउ मेनी पर्सन्स वर देयर एट द टाइम ऑफ द थेफ्ट. अच्छा मते कहिल हाउ मेनी पर्सन्स वर देयर एट द टाइम ऑफ द थेफ्ट. से जो चोरी समय रे बा जतले चोरी हेइथिला तो सेही समय रे केते जण लोक सेठी उपस्थित थिले बा सेठी थिले. क्लियर? तापरे उत्तर रे से जो प्रथम साक्षी जण कोन बोली उत्तर देछि देखो ना कहिला 5 योर ऑनर. ना सर जतले चोरी हला आमे केते जण थिलु ना आमे 5 जण थिलु हजूर बोली कि से विचारपति महाशय को कहिला. सेड द विटनेस. ओके सेड द विटनेस से जो साक्षी जनक कहिला. द जजेस थर्ड क्वेश्चन वा अगेन कौन है ना विचारपति से तृतीय प्रश्न पचार कहा को ऑब्वियसली द फर्स्ट विटनेस को ना से जो तृतीय प्रश्न कौन व्हाट वाज द कलर ऑफ द स्टोलन पर्स. अच्छा मते कहिल से जो पर्सटा चोरी हैला. ओके से जो पर्स रो रंग माने को रंगर पर्सटा थिला बोली कि प्रश्न कले कहा को विटनेस को. तापर उत्तर से कौन कही छी ना ब्लैक योर ऑनर रिप्लाइड द विटनेस. तापर से कौन कला ना सर जो पर्सटा चोरी हैला सीटा कला रंगर बुझेला माने जो से जो पर्सटा को रंगर थिला कला रंगर. रिप्लाइड द विटनेस से जो साक्षी जनक उत्तर देला. क्लियर? ओके I hope you all understand the paragraph. Okay, now there is some question related to this chapter on your screen. Clear? To try to answer of this question. Clear? The first question is, what is that? Who are there in this part of the story? That means who are there in this part of the story? ये जो story रे, ये जो story रे बा ये जो गल्फ रे, clear? Who are there? को माने थिले, को माने ये जो story रो गोटे गोटे part थिले. Obviously student के तो मैं easily you can find out the answer of this question in your first paragraph. Clear? Obviously किए थिले thief. Okay, then police, then judge. Okay, and here is witness. These are the person. These are the persons who were present. Clear? So like this, you can try to answer of this question. Clear? Next question. What did the thief steal? What did the thief steal? Okay, this is for you. I'm already discussed one question for you on like that. You try to answer all this question, and I will provide a number. I will provide my WhatsApp number. You all send me. Okay, you try to send me on my WhatsApp number. I can check that how you understand the paragraph. तमें की परी से जो पैराग्राफ टा को बुझीछ, क्लियर? तो मु जानी पारिबी. तो ट्राई करो as possible as try to connect with me. Okay. Next, third question. Who arrested the thief? Who arrested the thief? से जो चोर को किए अरेस्ट कला. Clear? Then question number 4. Where did the police send him? से जो पुलिस से जो चोरोटा को कोठी पठेले. Yes, कोठी. देखो, easily you can say, if you understand the paragraph clearly, then you may easily answer the question. Okay, here is your question. Here is your answer. That the police sent him to jail. Clear? This is the answer of that question. So you all try to answer the all answer of the all question. Right? Okay. Next, who had a lawyer and 3 witnesses? Question 6. Just I am reading the question. Okay. Now you have to answer the question after complete of this session, and you may send it to my WhatsApp number. I will provide that lastly. Why could not the third witness come to the court? कहीं से जो तृतीय साक्षी जनक आसी पारला नहीं कोर्ट को. क्लियर? 7 नंबर क्वेश्चन. व्हाट वाज द जज फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन? ओके, से जो विचारपति प्रथम क्वेश्चन कौन थिला बा प्रथम प्रश्न कौन थिला से भला. नेक्स्ट, व्हाट डिड द विटनेस रिप्लाई? साक्षी जनक उत्तर कौन देले? ओके, देन कम्स टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 9. व्हाट वाज द जज सेकंड क्वेश्चन? तापरे विचारपति द्वितीय प्रश्न कौन थिला? क्लियर? देन व्हाट डिड द फर्स्ट विटनेस रिप्लाई? तो प्रथम साक्षी जनक कौन उत्तर देला? ओके. 11 नंबर, व्हाट वाज द जज थर्ड क्वेश्चन? विचारपति तृतीय प्रश्न कौन थिला? लास्ट, व्हाट डिड द फर्स्ट विटनेस रिप्लाई? तापरे से जो प्रश्न रे प्रथम साक्षी तांकर उत्तर कौन थिला? So this is the, you can say, homework for you, and you try to write the answer of this question and send me to my WhatsApp number. I will provide that. Note it. My WhatsApp number is note it. Yes, 78 9494 6768. Again, I'm saying that 7894946768. Okay. Okay. I hope you enjoyed this session. Okay. We will next meet in next class. Clear? Bye.